So a few weeks ago, I came across a Reddit post that caught my attention. A woman named Sarah has been applying for jobs for months with no luck. She was exhausted, frustrated, and on the verge of giving up. Then almost overnight things changed. She didn't just land a job, she had 5 offers on the table. That doesn't happen by accident. I was curious, so I reached out to her. We talked about what shifted, what worked, and most importantly, how AI played a major role in turning things around. Today, I'm going to break down exactly what Sarah did differently and how you can use AI to get the same results. If you're struggling with job applications, this is going to change the game for you. Now, Sarah started like most job seekers do. She applied to as many jobs as possible, hoping that the sheer volume of applications would increase her chances. She spent hours tweaking her resume, writing cover letters, and waiting and waiting and waiting. Most of the time, she heard nothing back. When she did land interviews, she felt like she was constantly being put on trial, defending her experience, second-guessing her answers, and walking away unsure if she even wanted the job. It wasn't that she wasn't qualified. She just wasn't standing out. That's when she decided to stop working harder and working smarter. Instead of throwing out more applications, she focused on making each one impossible to ignore. And that's where AI comes in. Now let's talk about the 5 strategies that she implemented that resulted in the multiple offers that she got. The first one was resume transformation, and this is also why your resume is getting ignored. Sarah realized that her resume was written the same way most people's are, a list of tasks, not a proof of impact. Instead of manually rewriting every line, she turned to AI. She pasted her resume to ChatGPT and used this simple prompt. Rewrite my resume to highlight results and impact. Quantify achievements wherever possible and make it sound like a top candidate in the industry. Now, all the prompts will be in the description below, so you can just copy paste when you need it. Within seconds, AI transformed her resume from a boring job description to a persuasive proof of her value. Here's the example of what changed. Before, her resume said managed some company's social media accounts. After, it said increase social media engagement by 150% in 6 months, leading to a 40% rise in inbound leads. See the difference? One sounds passive, the other proves value. But she didn't stop there. She also asked ChatGPT, scan this job description and identify the top keywords recruiters are looking for. Then she naturally wove those keywords into her resume to pass applicant tracking systems, which is ATS. With these simple AI-driven tweaks, her interview requests tripled. Now, the second strategy that she applied is the 20-minute application rule. Sarah used to apply for 20 plus jobs a day, copying and pasting the same resume and cover letter. AI showed her why that wasn't working. Instead of mass applying, she started customizing each application, but in a way that took less time than before. Here's what she did. She used AI to tailor her resume for each job posting. She pasted the job description into the ChatGPT and used this prompt. Rewrite my resume to highlight the most relevant skills for this job description. She let AI generate a concise, enthusiastic cover letter in seconds. Her prompt was, write a short and compelling cover letter for this job role using my resume and this job description. She compared her resume to the job description and asked AI, how well does my resume match this job posting? What improvements can I make for a better fit? AI turned what used to be a 2-hour process into a 20-minute strategy that actually worked. Her interview rate skyrocketed. If you're still sending the same generic resume everywhere, AI can help you make each application feel tailor-made with minimal effort. Third strategy was networking without being cringe. Like many people, Sarah hated networking. She didn't want to message strangers out of the blue and she had no idea what to say. AI made networking easy and natural. Instead of sending awkward cold messages, she started engaging with industry conversations on LinkedIn. She used ChatGPT to help craft thoughtful comments that added value using this prompt. Write a professional but engaging comment on this LinkedIn post that adds value and invites conversation. A few days later, a hiring manager responded to one of her comments. They started a conversation, and by the end of the week, that manager invited her to apply for an open role. That conversation led to one of her 5 offers. If you struggle with responses, let AI help you craft engaging messages and comments that get real responses. Now, the fourth strategy was interviewing like a pro. Sarah didn't just land interviews, she nailed them. Her secret was that she used AI to practice realistic interview questions. She gave ChatGPT this prompt: pretend you're a hiring manager at this company. Ask me 5 tough questions for this job role. After each question, give me feedback on how to improve. Instead of rehearsing generic answers, she got real-time feedback. She also asked AI, what are the best questions I can ask in an interview for this role to stand out? At the end of one interview, she asked, what are the biggest challenges your team is facing right now? The hiring manager told her that question set her apart from every other candidate. By the time she finished her interviews, 4 out of 4 companies made her an offer. And the fifth strategy, which everyone tends to miss, is negotiating every offer. Most job seekers don't negotiate. Sarah did, and AI helped her get it right. First, she used free salary research tools like Glassdoor and LinkedIn Salary Insights to see what others in her field were earning. She then asked ChatGPT draft a professional salary negotiation email for this job title role, requesting a competitive salary based on market data. She sent this email to every company that made her an offer. 3 out of 5 raised their initial salary offers, won by 20%. AI helped her negotiate with confidence and clarity, and it paid off. Now, Sarah's transformation wasn't luck. It was a mix of strategy, persistence, and AI-powered optimization. Here's what you can do to get the same results. Fix your resume instantly. Use AI to rewrite it with impact-driven language and optimize for ATS. You can use the prompts given in the description. Second, apply smarter, not harder. Let AI tailor each resume and cover letter to match the job description. Make networking effortless. AI can help you craft better LinkedIn messages and comments. Master interviews. Use ChatGPT for mock interviews and question prep. Negotiate with confidence. AI can help you draft strong salary counter offers. Sarah went from months of frustration to 5 job offers. AI helped her do it. If you want to triple your interview chances, check out this next video where we break down 5 power moves to make your cover letter stand out and get you more interview calls. Click to watch now and level up your job applications. Your next job could be one AI-powered prompt away.